So here's how to download and install Peak mods safely and easily. First, you want to open up your browser and then search for Thunderstore. And then you want to click on the first link, which should take you to this page. Now you want to click on Get App and download it through Overwolf. Download it and install it. Now once you've installed the app, you should open it from your desktop like this. Now you want to search for the game, Peak for example, and then click on Select Game and select Profile. Now you want to go to the Get Modes section and then search for BepInEx Peak like this. Click on it and click on Download and Install. Download with dependencies. And once it's downloaded, you want to also search for the mod that you want to use. So for example, there is a bunch of different mods here for translation and adjusting the lobby size and a bunch of other things. So for example, there is a one for voice volume, and there is Peak Unlimited, I think, which adjusts the number of players per session. So you want to select your favorite mods and then click on the download, select a version and install it. So for example, if you have older versions of the game, you can download and install specific versions. And once it's downloaded, you can go back to My Mods and see all the modes that you have. And using this checkbox, you can enable and disable specific modes. And now you can go to the edit config if you want to edit the BepInEx configs. Otherwise, you want to go to the settings and set up a game path, or set up the game path. So you want to scroll down to change Peak folder, which is the game folder. Now we want to click on it, and it should open up this folder locator. Now you want to navigate to Steam installation path, which is usually C drive program files 86, and then Steam, and then scroll down to Steam apps, and then common, and then we want to go to the game folder, which is Peak. Now you want to click on open, Peak exe selected, and then click on open, and this should select the game path. Now you can simply go back to My Mods, and then from here you can click on the modded button to launch the game with mods. Otherwise, you can click on vanilla to launch it without the mods. And once the game is launched, you can simply host a game or play offline to test the mods. And that's pretty much it. You can also look in the Thunderstore to see what mods do. For example, this multiplies the items and others translate. You can also read more about the mods and install anything you like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.